Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an add-in. Not something I've really covered before, but I came across an add-in called CadSight. It's created by a guy named Dylan. He was kind enough to share with me a little video on how it works and what it's about. Basically, you can track all your time spent on projects. So if you're wanting to bill your clients, or if you want to track the progress of a team, see efficiencies, that kind of thing, this add-in is the thing you need. So we're going to have a quick look at it. Dylan's going to go through it for us, and you're going to see how it works. So let's get into today's video.
So I'm going to give you a quick run through on this add-in. So it's called CadSight, and it automatically tracks all your projects individually in the background while you're working in Fusion. So this is your today summary. Today, as you can see, I've worked on mechanical enclosure for 6 minutes, and it's not tracking at the moment because I've only just opened up Fusion again. So if I close the add-in and I perform a CAD action, let's just extrude this for example. Let's just go 10. And I open up the add-in, it's automatically started tracking, as you can see, and just picked up the work. And if I close the add-in and I go to a different document that I haven't worked on today, open up the add-in again, it stopped tracking the previous document. So it detects your dock switches for accuracy while you're working. And if we perform a CAD action, let's just extrude again, make it easy. Let's go 1. Open up the add-in, it's picked up the new project in the background automatically. And over here we have a history tab. So if you click on this, it will show you a history of all your projects that you've worked on since you've installed the add-in. So it will show you your project name, your active time, your idle, your total, and it also has got a report feature here if you want to generate reports for clients if you're doing freelance work. So let's just go to mechanical enclosure. You hit the PDF button and it will generate a ready-made report for you. So it will show you your date range, your projects, the dates you worked on the project, the 25th and the 19th, and the times that you worked on those days. You can put a client name if you want, and you can also add some manual time. As you all know, some CAD work is done outside of the design, like sketching or research. Let's just use client call, for example. Put it for 30 minutes, and then we'll click add. And it will automatically add it to your total summary. And then you can just print and save it as a PDF and send it to a client if you want. You've also got a timesheet report feature here. So if you want to see what you've done for the past week, the past month, or per project, you can pick one of these. So let's just do monthly, for example. You can select whatever month you want. We'll just do this month. Generate report. And we'll show you your period, so April 2026, which is this month, and we'll show you your total summary. So we've worked 2 hours and 53 minutes in Fusion this month. Idle 31, and we'll show you what you've done for each day of the month and each project. So over here you've got all your projects you've worked on this month, plus your total times. And yeah, that's pretty much the add-in. Over here you've got your settings button, where you can adjust your idle threshold according to your workflow. And yeah, so that's a quick preview on the add-in. So I usually just have this auto-enabled on startup while I do my work, and I only open it if I really need to check my times for projects. It's really useful if you're doing client or freelance work, just so you have a record of your times.
So as you can see, it's a really cool plugin, super helpful if you're running a business doing CAD. Even if you've got a team of people and you want to track their efficiencies, track their billable hours, it is fantastic. So go check it out. There's a link in the description to download it. It is currently only available on Windows, but go check it out. Till next time, bye.